In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a PDF into a JPEG image and import it into Figma. Start by locating the PDF file you want to use. Open the PDF on your computer and export or save it as a JPEG image. Most PDF viewers include an export or save as option that lets you choose JPEG as the output format. When exporting, select a high image quality to keep the content sharp and clear. Save the JPEG file to a location that's easy to access, such as your desktop or downloads folder. Next, open your Figma project. Simply drag and drop the JPEG file onto your Figma canvas or use File is greater than Place Image and select the image. The JPEG will be imported into Figma as an image layer that you can move, resize, crop, or use as a design reference. If your PDF contains multiple pages, export each page as a separate JPEG and import them individually into Figma. And that's it! You've successfully converted a PDF to JPEG and imported it into Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.